Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about things that you might need outside of food for a disaster. I have some things here that I pulled out of my cupboards and stuff that I've been hanging on to show you what I've been accumulating. There's probably things that I don't have that I should have, or things that I don't have that you may have. But this video is just to go over some things that is probably necessary for you to have for first aid, skincare, that kind of thing, if things should go dark. So first of all, I have good old toilet paper. Remember when we couldn't find toilet paper in the stores? So I would get some toilet paper. Make sure you have some of that on hand. Also some Kleenex. Kleenex, I don't really think is that big of a deal because you can always use toilet paper if you need to blow your nose. But if you can afford it, pick up a few boxes of Kleenex because that also will help save on the toilet paper. And it's better on your nose. So Kleenex would be good. Stuff for some oral care. I have here some toothpaste, toothbrushes, have some spares, some dental floss. If you have dental floss to help keep in between your teeth clean, that will kind of help keep the dentist away. And then, of course, some sort of mouthwash. Listerine's getting really super expensive, so I started buying store brands, but I was buying Listerine. So this is what I happened to grab off my shelf. But oral care is a must to kind of help keep the doctor away. Once you have a toothache, it's only going to get worse, not better. So oral care. We have some skincare products here. Bath soap to keep your skin clean. If your skin's clean, then it's going to help reduce infection if you should get a cut on your finger or something. Maybe some sort of chapstick or lip balm of some sort to keep your lips from being chapped in the winter or sunburnt in the summer. I end up finding that I'm using this year-round. So some Carmex is good to have, or some other kind of lip balm stuff. Deodorant is also a good thing to have, so you can maybe not make enemies, haha. But deodorant will be a good thing to have, so you can at least try to help yourself stay smelling good. And also some sort of hand lotion. I get dry hands a lot, and in a SHTF situation, you might find that you'll be using some hand lotion to keep your skin hydrated, moisturized, stuff like that. So I've got some lotion here. Also, here's it's an off stick. It's medicated antiseptic for bug bites like mosquitoes and fleas and stuff like that. If you get a bite, you just put this on and it's supposed to stop the itching. And I've actually used this and they work pretty good. So having something like this would be good to have as well. Also, maybe some digestive care. A lot of people are probably going to end up having to change the way they eat from their normal diet because of what's going on, food shortages and stuff like that, or just the price of things going up so high that you have to kind of alter your diet because you can't afford to eat the way you used to. So with that could come some digestive problems. So I would suggest maybe some Pepcid or some sort like that. I've got some Tums here on my table as well. These might be good to have one or the other in case that happens. Also, maybe some sort of a laxative, because again, if you're changing up the way you eat, this could cause some digestive issues. So maybe have something like this on hand to protect yourself from that. With all the stress and everything that things are bringing on, maybe some sort of a sleep aid would be good. This is just a store brand sleeping pill. There's also melatonin and other things that you could use to help yourself relax and get at least a few hours of sleep. I have here some matches, batteries, and even some lighters. Batteries are necessary. Flashlights and other things that might take batteries that you would use that you normally don't use every day. Matches, of course, to start fires, to stay warm. Whether you have I have a fire pit in my backyard, so well, we can huddle around it, keep warm, but we can also cook on it. So matches and or lighters would be good to have, and your batteries. So then here's my first aid type stuff. We've got Q-tips here. Q-tips would be good to have. I use a Q-tip every morning after I shower to get the water out of my ears. So Q-tips. I've got some rubbing alcohol and some peroxide here. These are good for cleaning out your wounds if you should get cut, stuff like that. Also some alcohol prep pads that would come in handy. Some Vaseline. This should have been in my skincare stuff, but yeah, Vaseline would be good to have too. It's going to help prevent with some skin irritations. Hand sanitizer I've got here. I've got some antibiotic cream or ointment with some band-aids here. You're going to need that. Maybe some athlete's foot cream as well, because you never know. You may end up developing a case of athlete's foot, and there's nothing worse than having that and no way to try to cure it or take care of it. So maybe a tube of athlete's foot cream would be good. And I've got some ibuprofen here for pain and swelling. If you can't get to a doctor right away, maybe some ibuprofen or Tylenol or something like that, whatever you take. And then some sort of flu and cough and cold medicine. I've got a bottle of NyQuil here. So yeah, that's everything that I've got. That's all I got to talk about right now, but I'll be making more videos later. So I will talk to you and see you then. Bye.